My experience with science, technology, and society, it's not just about learning facts and figure about science and technology. It's about understanding how these things shape our society and how society in turn shape the development of science and technology. We discuss things like genetic engineering, artificial intelligence, and nanotechnology, and how these advancements could have both positive and negative consequences of humanity. STS dynamic and interdisciplinary field that offers unique perspective on the world around us. Studying STS can help decide the deeper understanding of the complex relationship between science, technology, and society, and equip you with critical thinking skills needed to navigate the challenges opportunity of 21st century. STS provides a framework of understanding and engaging with critical contemporary issues, so as climate change, artificial intelligence, and the future of the world. Thank you.